Hello, my name is Stephanie Burns, and today I'm going to show you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Gmail. This will help you save time, and it'll also minimize the use of a mouse or touchpad. Gmail is one of the most commonly used emailing platforms, whether for work or personal use, and navigating Gmail with keyboard shortcuts will help make the experience much more enjoyable. So first, let's pull up the Gmail app like it is here. And then you're going to go over into this key settings wheel. Scroll down, hit settings, and then it takes you to the setting page. You're just going to have to scroll for a little bit, and then you'll find the keyboard shortcuts. You're going to want to turn those on just by clicking that bubble that turns them on. Then hit Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Let's go back to our inbox here. So I'm not going to be able to show all of the different shortcuts, but I will show some of the most basic and used functions. There's just too many to go over all of them. But I want to show you how you can select some of the emails in your inbox. If you want to select a series of emails, go ahead and hit the box next to the email. Hit your Shift button. Scroll down, hit the next email, and then everything in between those is going to be selected. And that's how you select a series of emails. If you wanted to select just the ones that are unread, all you have to do for that is hit Shift 8 and the U button. And that selects only the unread emails. This can be nice for a number of reasons. Sometimes you need to select only the unread emails because you want to delete them or mark them as read. If we want to compose an email, we unselect those. If we want to compose an email, we can hit C, and that brings up a new message window. So I'm going to write an email to myself. Here I am. And then to go to my subject line, I just have to hit Tab. So I'll make this one presentation. All right, dear Stephanie. So some of the really cool features in the messaging part of the shortcuts is using the bold, italicize, and underlining, because if you're typing an email, it's going to be really convenient not to have to stop and take out your mouse and highlight the word, but just rather doing it while you're typing. So to bold a word, you're going to hit Control B, and then that selects that bold. And there you go. To unselect it, you do the same thing, Control B. To italicize a word, you're going to hit Control I. Oh, and then hit Control B again, italicize. Unselect, hit Control I, and then select again, hit Control U, and that is underlining. Like I said, this is just really convenient if you want to not have to worry about highlighting any words and just do it right in the email with your keyboard. To send an email, just go ahead and hit Command Enter. And there it goes. It's it. So let's go ahead and click on that email I just sent myself. Now, if we click on this, some of the shortcuts that we can use in the communications window is R. And this is just saying I'm replying to my email. Say, good job, Stephanie. To give myself a little pat on the back. And then I can do the same thing, just hit that Control Enter. Maybe I wanted to forward that email to myself, and then I can go ahead and do that, hit forward. Or if I wanted to reply all, I can hit A, and that would reply all if it was like a mass communication. So if I wanted to not do any of that and I just want to go straight back into my inbox, all I have to do is hit U, and then I'm back in that inbox setting, right where we started. Those are just a few of the awesome shortcuts in Gmail. For a more comprehensive list, you can hit Shift ? And it pulls up the entire list of shortcuts that you can use for your keyboard. There you have it, a few shortcuts in the inbox, compose, and conversation views. Use these to save a couple seconds that will add up and make your life a lot easier.